I'm sure this is the reason that most people are here is for the 1099K and payment processors update. So a 1099K is a form that is it's a form that you get which reports payments that you got for goods or services during the year. And a lot of time, most of the 1099s are for services only and not goods unless they're wrapped up with the service and not separated out. But 1099K is issued when payments are made by credit, debit, stored value cards such as gift cards or other payment cards, payment apps, and online marketplaces, also called third-party settlement organizations. The 1099K is created by the merchant service or payment card company. And it's basically anyone who receives payment on your behalf for a fee and then sends you the money. They can either deposit the whole amount and then pull their fee separately, or deposit your fee net, or deposit your money less the fee. But their 1099K reporting is getting to be a little bit more complex, simply because of some of the rules that are in effect and how different merchant service providers interpret the rules on what payments get included, because the first bullet on here says credit or debit or stored value cards such as gift cards. However, and I'll go into it in more detail on a future slide, there are some merchant processors that are including ACH because they charge a fee to process the ACH payment. But before we get into that, let's talk a little bit about the current thresholds and what the proposed threshold is for next year. And recently the IRS changed to the pushback, or they pushed back the transition. So 1099Ks will have the same rules as previous years, which are annual gross payments exceeding $20,000 and 200 transactions. But I know we have gotten 1099Ks that are below the minimum threshold. My husband's company, for example, he gets a 1099K and he doesn't exceed $20,000 in sales through the merchant account or 200 transactions. And the merchant sends it out anyway. And that's been going on since he first started getting a 1099K, or when, I should say that a different way, when he started his business, he's always gotten a 1099K. Some years it's 4,000, some years it's 15,000, or whatever gets processed through that individual processor. It doesn't matter. He gets a 1099K. the thresholds for 2024 currently are annual gross payments exceeding $5,000 and no minimum transaction threshold. So theoretically, any payment in excess of $5,000 is going to get a 1099-K.